I know staying at home is so boring. So today we, the students of class 10th B, are going to provide some kind of entertainment to you all to bring a smile on your face. As today we are going to present a digital assembly on the topic kindness.
Good morning everyone. Today I, Japneet Singh, stand before you to deliver the significance of the day. 6th August 1881, birth date of Alexander Fleming, a Scottish biologist who discovered penicillin antibiotic. 6th August 1942, Hiroshima Day, when atomic bomb was dropped in the Japanese city of Hiroshima. It was the most inhuman act in which many people lost their life and some are still suffering from the diseases caused by the radiations. So on this day, we decide to give a message of kindness. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hey guys, now it's time for the thought. So I would like to call Prachi and Vedika for the same.
Good morning everyone. The thought of the day is carry out a random act of kindness with no expectations of reward, safe in the knowledge that one day someone might do the same for you.
अर्थात किसी की ओर दया या सहायता का हाथ पुरस्कृत करने की लालसा में ना बढ़े, वरन ये सोचकर बढ़िए कि भविष्य में आपकी सहायता के लिए भी कोई ज़रूर खड़ा होगा। धन्यवाद।
What we say is important, for in most of the cases, the mouth speaks what the heart is full of. So now I would like to call Harmanish Pujani for a speech.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and safe during this hard time of COVID-19. Today I, Harmanish Pujani, a candidate of class 10th B, is here to share something which I think is very important, especially during this hard time. News nowadays is full of stories about people struggling all over the country in many ways. Fortunately, there are ways we can help them without leaving our homes. Number 1. We are in the same shop, not in the same boat. This line effectively conveys the privilege that many of us hold. We can reach out to our friends who are in need and help them. This would certainly be an act of kindness we perform towards them. Now, talking about our safety from COVID-19. Not everybody is so serious about this issue. People from the slum regions do not prefer using masks or sitting at home. For many such reasons, people are working, stitching and distributing COVID-19 masks. The distribution is not limited to masks. People are distributing food to those who have been starving for days and days just because everything is closed. Animals like cats, cows and dogs who roam on roads spend their whole day empty stomach. This is unfair. We should at least feed 2 animals a day and be kind to them who are aged 60 plus or the children who are below 10 years of age are at high risks. They should stay home as much. I hope you all understood the points I tried to highlight. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.
Now it's time for some entertainment. We all watch movies, cartoons, dramas and animate. But this time we are going to watch a skit.
ईश्वर का दूसरा रुख है करुणा में आसमान, करुणा ही बनाती है हैवान को इंसान. Karuna means kindness. How many of us dare to be careful because what we do to others comes back to us? Now let's see what's happening at Mr. Sharma's house.
Where were you? Do you have any idea that you have your school tomorrow?
Listen, Mama, listen.
I'm not going to listen anything. Don't you know that you have to come from the park by 7? It's 7:45 right now. Now I'm going to cut down your TV time.
TV time? But Mama, we don't have TV at the home.
Oh, whatever. But I still need an explanation. Otherwise, I'll tell your dad, complain to your teacher, and not let you to go in the park.
Mama, breathe in, breathe out. Now let me tell you what happened in the park.
Now let's see what happened in the park.
Oh no, it's bleeding.
Wait, let me call your mother. She's not picking up the phone.
Papa, why you're always busy on your phone?
These kids are so cute and kind. I hope their mother appreciates and understands them.
So that's what happened in the park.
Oh, that's so sweet. But where is your bicycle?
Oh no, I think you have forgotten your bicycle in the park.
You forgot your bicycle in the park? What kind of kindness is this?
Come, Adi, let's go and bring the bicycle.
My dear, someone must have taken it till now. Let me tell you one thing, that was a very expensive one and I won't buy you a new one. She is not your friend, but then also you helped her. Why?
आ गया मजा। और बनो काइंड। किसी की मदद करो तो डांट पड़ती है, ना करो तो डांट पड़ती है। समझ नहीं आता पेरेंट्स इतने कंफ्यूज क्यों रहते हैं।
Adi, Mama, though she's not my friend, but shouldn't I be kind to her?
Freeze. A very valid question. Do we need to be somebody's friend before being kind? No, you're right. I'm Freeze.
My dear, this world is not so good. The people here are so smart and cunning. Who is there right now? Adi, go and see. And if anyone asks about me, tell them that I'm not at home.
हेलो अंकल। अंकल, मम्मा ने बोला है वो घर पर नहीं है, आप फिर कभी आना।
Adi, when did I say so?
पक्का ना? फिर बोलोगे मैंने कब बोला।
Adi, go!
Hello, Mrs. Sharma. I'm Anvi's father. The girl who fell down and your kids helped her is my daughter. Your kids are so sweet and kind. They were so kind to my daughter in the park.
Oh, I always teach them to be kind to everyone.
Hello, Mama. Right now you said not to be kind to everyone.
Actually, you are right, Abhi, that the world is not so bad. We should show them some kindness and we can change the world.
बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भर जाए। आपकी ये छोटी कोशिशें बड़ी काम आए। Your small steps of kindness will definitely change the world. The kids are going to school. Now let's see what happens.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
It's too cold today.
Feeling very cold.
Oh no, you're not wearing any warm clothes. You should wear a sweater or a jacket.
No, I am fine. I know, but I don't have a jacket or sweater like you. I can't afford a jacket because my father is driver and my mother is a cook.
अरे बेटा, क्या हुआ?
पापा, आज बहुत ठंड है।
आपको उसे जैकेट खरीद के दे देनी चाहिए।
बेटा, हम इसे स्कूल बड़ी मुश्किल से भेजते हैं। हमारे पास इतने पैसे नहीं कि इसे जैकेट दिला सके।
Hey guys, my mom has given me a jacket. I can give it to him.
नहीं नहीं बेटा, ये आपकी है।
Thank you.
Now let's see what happened at Kind Boy's house.
It's your jacket. Now don't tell me that you lost it.
No, Mama. I didn't forget it. I gave it to my friend as he was feeling very cold.
What? ये friend कौन है? चलो ठीक है, give me his number.
I don't have his number.
Please, that jacket was 1,000 rupees. पैसे का पेड़ पे उगते हैं?
No, Mama. He was feeling very cold. He also had his exam.
Do you know anything about him?
I don't know his name.
What? You don't know his name also? See, it's good to be kind, but you don't even know his name.
Is it important to know someone's name before being kind?
Freeze. A very valid question again. Do we need to know somebody's name before being kind? No, you're right. Unfreeze.
Oh yes, I remember. His father is a driver in a society.
Very good. Now you will never get your jacket. There are so many poor people in this world. You can't help each of them.
But we can at least try to help them.
Oh, now go and open the door. Go.
अंकल, आप यहाँ? नमस्ते। अरे तुम अंदर आओ, तुम्हारे कारण मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ी।
नमस्ते। आपका बच्चा बहुत प्यारा है। इसने मेरे बच्चे को जैकेट दी है, इसलिए मैं आपकी ये जैकेट लौटाने आया हूँ।
Now you can keep this jacket.
नहीं नहीं, मुझे आज ही सैलरी मिली है, इसलिए मैं अपने बच्चे के लिए जैकेट खरीद कर लाऊंगा।
Auntie, your son is so kind. Without knowing my name, he gave me his jacket.
Yeah, you were right, son. Thank you. हमने तो अपने बेटे को बचपन से ही सिखाया है कि बेटा काइंड होना चाहिए, लोगों की मदद करनी चाहिए।
See, I told you, being kind is not bad.
Yes, these small steps of kindness will definitely change the world. Your greatness can be measured by your kindness, your education, and intellect by your modesty. Kindness matters every day, in every way. Let's care for each other and love each other. Let's take a pledge to be kind, not only today, but every day. Thank you.
In today's situation, when the whole world is fighting with COVID-19, people are stressed, depressed. But only kindness can empower and motivate people by giving strength. So here I would like to call Gunjan Yadav for a speech.
अहम नीचः परो वेति गणना लघु चेत्सा उदार चरिता नाम तु वसुदेव कुटुंबकम अर्थात यह तेरा है, यह मेरा है। इस तरह की सोच एक नीच मनुष्य की होती है, परंतु अच्छे आचरण वाले महान दयालु मानव के लिए तो पूरी धरती ही उनका परिवार है। सुप्रभात सभी श्रोतागणों को मेरा नमन। आशा है कि आप सभी स्वस्थ एवं मंगलमय होंगे। आज मैं गुंजन यादव दया पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। दया एक भाव है। दया वह धर्म है जिससे बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं। दया समर्थन है जो प्रत्यक्ष नहीं। दया चिंता है परंतु स्वार्थी नहीं। दया राह है पर हमारी नहीं। मित्रों, महान इतिहासकार जॉर्ज एलियट कहते हैं, हमारे जीवन का कोई अर्थ नहीं जब तक हम दूसरे के जीवन को सरल और सुंदर नहीं बनाते। दयालुता के कारण ही तो अंतरिक्ष का हर एक कण एक दूसरे कण से स्वर्णिम रूपी जंजीर से जुड़ा हुआ है। जैसे प्रकृति दया का सबसे बड़ा प्रमाण, एक वृक्ष अपना फल, फूल, छाया पृथ्वी को समर्पित कर देता है। समुद्र के कारण हमारी नदियां और खेत संपन्न है। वायु की वजह से ही तो आज मैं और आप हैं। मित्रों, क्या आप जानते हैं, दया एक ऐसी शक्ति है जिससे एक बधिर सुन सकता है एवं एक नेत्रहीन देख सकता है। और शायद इसी कारणवश हमारी संस्कृति और हमारे नैतिक धर्म हमेशा हमें यही ज्ञान देते हैं कि मानवता की सबसे पहली सीढ़ी दया है। और इसका प्रमाण हमने आज कोविड-19 की महामारी में प्रत्यक्ष रूप से देखा है। हमारे डॉक्टर्स, पुलिस आज के दौर की मानवता की सबसे बड़ी मूर्ति हैं। परंतु ये बहुत दुखद है कि आज की प्रतिस्पर्धा रूपी संसार में मानव के भीतर दया भाव जैसे विलुप्त ही होता जा रहा है। हमें अपने आसपास के लोगों के प्रति दयालु होने की आवश्यकता को समझना होगा। लोग आज बेरोजगारी का सामना कर रहे हैं। पूरा विश्व एक आर्थिक संकट से गुजर रहा है और इस समय हम सबको एक दूसरे के लिए खड़ा होना होगा। हमें मानव पृथ्वी में प्रकृति जानवरों के प्रति विनम्र होना होगा, तभी तो संसार स्वर्ग से भी सुंदर बन पाएगा। दया करने वाला मनुष्य सदैव संपूर्ण, प्रसन्न तथा संतुष्ट रहता है एवं वह सदैव ईश्वर की और समीप जाता रहता है, जिससे उसके अंदर आंतरिक शांति का संचार होता है। आखिर में अपने शब्दों पर विराम लगाते हुए मैं गोस्वामी तुलसीदास द्वारा एक दोहा प्रस्तुत करना चाहूंगी। दया धर्म का मूल है, पाप मूल अभिमान। तुलसी दया न छोड़िए, जब लगी घट में प्राण, जब लगी घट में प्राण। धन्यवाद।
Now Khushi and P will tell us some simple act of kindness that will make others happy.
The show's skit is about a girl named Taylor who is not visible, but still she is the center of attraction just because of her deeds of kindness. That is why it is said that kindness is a language which a deaf can hear and even a blind can see. Hi Khushi. Okay, what are you doing?
I am just watching that new student.
Oh Taylor, yeah, she is really nice.
Nice? What makes you say that?
She smiles a lot.
Smiles a lot.
May I know what exactly are you doing?
As you know, Taylor is new to our school, right?
Yes.
And it seems that everything is working very well for her in these first few weeks. Something is up. I have to investigate.
Well, I think this is a case of kindness. Everyone is working really hard to make sure that she feels she belongs.
Kindness?
Yes, even the teachers are also really working hard to make sure that she feels welcome.
Yes, they're really working hard for her.
And do you know how she thanked the teachers as per their doing?
Yes, she acts like if she's very interested in their life.
So she acts like that to show that she cares.
It's genius. She gets to know them if they were real people. She's so makeable.
And another thing, she talks to everyone in the class. All think that she's so kind and friendly.
Yes, I remember. That day she came to me and said me good morning, and I quickly said hi and ran away before we could get into a conversation. Do you know what she said then?
Think that you're unfriendly?
No. She said, talk to you later. Now, what possibly could she talk to me about?
Almost anything. You know she has good questions as well as crack good jokes.
My plan is to watch her from a distance, then make notes out of it and see if I can act kind like Taylor.
Okay, so you want to be kind like Taylor.
Exactly.
But you're over here hiding behind the rock with a notepad and binoculars while everyone else is over there hanging out.
So what do you say?
Khushi, do you want to be friends with Taylor?
Yes, I want to be friends with Taylor. And I also want all my teachers to be friendly with me as they are with Taylor.
Okay, then you need to get out of here, go there, say hi and be nice with everyone. Because kindness is a fruit of spirit that God encourages us to live our everyday life just as Taylor.
Okay. But what if she asks me a question?
I have to call that a good start. Thank you.
Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lightning of fire. Teaching is not a lost art, but the regard to it is a lost tradition. So here I would like to welcome my class teacher, Mrs. Shakti Sharma, to say a few words related to our assembly.
Greetings of the day to all. First of all, I would like to thank our school management for giving us this golden opportunity to present today's digital assembly on the topic kindness. Secondly, I would like to appreciate the hard work done by the class 10th students. Every one of us in this world is brought up with the lessons and stories on kindness. But as we grow older, we start collecting garbage of selfish life around us. Today's network world, when we all are connected with each other, the world is becoming more and more mechanical. Kindness is what that differentiates a man from a machine. Kindness does not demand any kind of hard work. Your simple smile, your one smile can change the world of others, and it can also help to bring a smile on many faces. So gather happiness around you. Always keep on smiling. Remember, if you want others to be happy, practice compassion. And if you want to be happy, practice compassion. Thank you and have a great day ahead.